Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for your watching and your commitment to study today. We don't have a face-to-face meeting today, but we would like to have this session by sharing the YouTube video. Your class is about statistics. So there will be two important topics that I would like to share in this course or in this class. As you know that last week we made this kind of file, and I add one more variable here. Is about age, it's numeric with the width 8 and no decimals as usual, and then we change it to umur. Okay, and it depends on you whether you want to put it on the left or you want to put it on the right. So usually it's much better if we try to differentiate the position, because for scale data, levels of measurement on scale, we may put it on the right. So, but it depends on you. But usually it works like that. There will be two things that I would like to share. The first is the way how to validate your data. This is the variable view and this is the data view. I'm sure last week we discussed about this. What I really want you to do is to use the very basic before we do any data analysis. We try to validate the data. In any kind of statistics, either inferential or non-inferentials, so you have to validate the data. So the first one that I would like to share with you is how to validate the data of nominal, nominal or ordinal. Here we have only nominal, we don't have ordinal. Ordinal is the level, we don't have it. But if you have ordinal, you can do it this kind of validation. What you have to understand that when you would like to have, I would like to make a note. If you would like to have a data validation, if you have nominal and ordinal data, you have to use frequencies. You have to use frequencies. Here you can see that here, analyze descriptive statistic frequencies. Analyze descriptive statistics frequencies. Right. But if you have data scale or ratio, in the previous aspects as we use ratio, what you have to use is descriptives. This is the same. Analyze is the same. Analyze, descriptive statistic, descriptives. Okay. So that is the point actually in data validation. So let's do it now. So this is your data. Okay, then you analyze. Then you do frequencies for nominal and ordinal. Then you put which one is ordinal and nominal. You push this and only variables with nominal and ordinal are in this box, then you don't need to have you don't need to have statistic, yeah, because you just want to make sure whether they are there, they exist there, they are accepted there, yeah. It depends on you actually. You want to put mode, you want to put medium, yeah. Okay, right, and then we choose OK. Look at this. On the data, you can see that the individual number is 26 valid, and there is no missing data. There is no missing data. So can you imagine that all of 26 data are calculated or divided to 3.8, are divided 100, and it results at 3.8, and all 3.8 is multiplied by 26 and becomes 100, and this is for the name, and this is for the class. So XC, yeah, 10J, the class 10J has frequency 26, percentage is 100, valid percent is 100, valid percent, look at the valid percent 100. Okay, now remember that for nominal and ordinal data you use frequency. Let's move on to the scale or ratio data. We analyze, we use descriptives, yeah. Then what you have to do is try to put, for example, like this, maybe, whether they are valid or not, yeah. Then if you want to put option, yeah, why not, yeah, means yeah, display order variable is alphabetic, yes, okay, continue, then you use OK. Then you can see that from descriptive statistic we have 26% kelamin, for kelamin or gender 26, ya, ada semuanya, minimum 2, maksimum 2, because all of them are female, score 26, minimum 20, jadi ada yang dapat 20, maksimum 84, ada yang dapat 84 skornya. Umur 26 ada semuanya, setiap individu. 18 minimum, 19 maksimum. Ada yang berumur 18, ada yang berumur 19. Okay, and valid each number, each data, each individual data is 26. It's true that we have 26. Look at this. We have 26 data here. Right. So remember again, I would like to tell you that if you want to validate the data, you can, if the data are nominal or ordinal, you use frequencies. If the data are scale or ratio, you can use descriptives. I guess that is all from me for today. I hope that you can input all the data I give you the file before and try to use these two basic data validations on SPSS, and I hope that you can create the report like this that may help you to continue to the next stages of data analysis. That is all. Thank you very much for your attention.